So today we're going to show you how to make, this is the end result. Basically it is just an egg carton with some dryer lint in it and some wax melted over the top to seal everything together. These things are amazing for starting a fire. What you do, you just set them down, light one of the edges, and this will burn by itself for, I don't know, probably like 5 minutes or so, 3 minutes. And it gives you plenty of time to get a little fire going and set stuff up, and it works way better than anything else. And it's essentially free. I mean, you eat eggs and you eat candles and dryer lint. So what you want to do is start with the egg holding part.
Carton.
Egg carton. Thank you, Jade. And you just grab some dryer lint, all the hairs and all the good stuff that's in there, and you ball it up. And you just shove it in the bottom of it. Just like that. Oh, this one's got a lot of hair. They do smell a little gross if they have, you know, I mean, it smells like burning hair for a little bit, but I think the smell is worth it just to get the fire going. And it burns off real quick. And I mean, you can use any sort of wax, you know, you can use golf wax, you can use old candles, you can use crayons, any sort of, you can use skate wax, whatever you got. So you ball it all up like that, then get your little torch going. And then you just melt wax over the top of it, sort of like that. Good. And yeah, that's basically it. You just take some scissors and cut them apart. So you got nice little single servings, I guess, single fire starters, and throw that in the base of the fire, put some kindling around it, and good to go. So yeah, quick, easy, simple, cheap. Way better than those cheesy little fire logs and all that other crap you can get at the gas stations. So yeah, give it a whirl. Try it out. That's all I gotta say.